In this guide, we're going over how to fix messages that are not sending on iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, check your internet connection. So just make sure that your internet connection is obviously on or cellular data is working. If your Wi-Fi is slow, turn it off, use cellular instead. If cell service is slow, use Wi-Fi instead. But from here, what you need to do is actually back out and open up your settings app and just search for messages real quick. In this messages screen, you're going to see a section that says send and receive as well as iMessage. Go ahead and make sure that iMessage is turned on and that send and receive is your phone number or your iCloud email. If it's already turned on, turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes the iMessage activation. But essentially from here, make sure that you also have send a SMS turned on as well. And this will let your phone send regular text message if an iPhone is not working. From here, if it's still not working, go back to the main settings page, select general, just like so, and then go ahead and scroll down on here to the very bottom, and then select transfer or reset iPhone. Go ahead and select reset and choose reset network settings. After that, it'll go ahead and reset and you can try again. If it's still not working, go ahead and hard reset your phone by, quickly clicking up on the volume up button and then quickly clicking down on the volume down button and then pressing and holding down on the power button until you see that Apple logo appear. From here, turn your phone back on and it should fix it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.